This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Shopify store. Follow these steps to manage your store settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials at the Shopify login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to modify store settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once loaded in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payment. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payments section. This is where you can manage payment providers and related restrictions. Step 4. Review payment providers. Look for the list of payment providers you have set up. Check for any automatic restrictions that may be applied by these providers. Click on the provider to access its settings. Step 5. Adjust restrictions. Within the payment provider settings, look for options related to automatic restrictions. Disable or adjust these settings according to your preferences. Save your changes before exiting. By following these steps, you can successfully manage and disable automatic restrictions on your Shopify store. Make sure to regularly review your settings to ensure everything operates smoothly.